Nasindihan na ang bitya. FPJ's Batang Quiapo.
Ang mundo ay kumilala na ng bago. Dapat tayo rin, kasi nagbabago ang mga pangangailangan natin.
Policies are meant to serve the people. Pero paano natin masisiguro na epektibo ito kung hindi nakabase sa accurate at updated na datos? Maraming pamilya ngayon ang nangangailangan ng tulong, pero hindi natutulungan. There are people who are qualified for assistance but are denied simply because of outdated and inaccurate data. May mga mahihirap na pamilya na hindi kabilang sa 4Ps dahil sa inconsistent na poverty measurement methods na hindi sumailalim sa totoong kalagayan nila. We've also seen how inaccurate statistics affect our economy. The recent rice shortages and rising inflation. Ito ay dulot ng maling impormasyon tungkol sa lokal na produksyon at konsumo ng bigas. Without reliable data, how can we ensure food security and affordable prices for everyone? Statistics are not just numbers. They are the foundation of people-centered policies. Ang tamang datos ay nagtitiyak na walang maiiwan. At mga resources ng gobyerno ay mapupunta sa mga nangangailangan. Kaya't nananawagan ako para sa gobyernong magbibigay prioridad sa real-time, accurate, at inclusive na datos to create policies that truly address the needs of the people. If we want to end inefficiencies, lift families out of poverty, and address issues like inflation, we must invest in better data collection and analysis. Let us build a future where policies are based on facts and reflect the realities of every Filipino. Sa tamang datos, kaya natin gumawa ng pagbabago. Let's work together to make policies that truly serve the people. Sama-sama nating gawing posible ito.
Huwag tayong magpaiwan sa luma. Para magbago ang Pilipinas, dapat may bago.
Umangat ang kabuhayan, sabok ang pangalan, pananaw ay bago, natural na tao.
Where the hell is my coffee?
My coffee! I never believed.
Who are you?
Lyra Magdalas po. Nag-a-apply na editorial assistant.
You heard.
Switch na! Coffee ko Blanca. Creamy, gentle sa tummy.
Ang susunod na programa ay Rated G. Ito ay pwede sa lahat ng manonood.
Good day to everyone. Welcome to Insight Forum. Today, let's talk about why statistics is crucial for people-centered policies. People-centered policies aim to directly address the needs of citizens. But how do we identify those needs? The answer is simple: statistics. Statistics provide the evidence we need to make informed decisions. They help us analyze trends, allocate resources, and tackle pressing issues like poverty, unemployment, or healthcare gaps. For example, during the COVID-19 pandemic, data on infection rates and vaccination coverage guided life-saving policies. Locally, agricultural statistics support farmers by improving programs and ensuring food security. Without these statistics, policies risk being based on assumptions, leading to wasted resources or neglected issues. That's why accurate, reliable data is essential. In conclusion, statistics are more than numbers. They're the key to effective, inclusive policies. Let's embrace data to create real change in our communities. Thank you for watching and see you next time on Insight Forum.